hanging out in the Buzz studio today, and someone brought me a package. It is from the Avión Tequila company. As you may know, we drop some tequila bottles off the world's little skyscraper. You can check out those videos at 1063thebuzz.com. And I'm gonna see what the tequila company sent me. Now, I was a Cub Scout, so I know to cut away from my body, but not cut the cameraman, because that'd be terrible. First off, there's a note. Ooh, fancy. Eric, thanks for supporting the brand. Keep doing what you're doing. Cheers, Marty at Tequila Avión. And there's a couple of things in here. Okay, first, remember kids, cut away from your body. Okay, what? Okay. Oh, they're like little baby bottles of tequila. Oh no, oh, they're shot glasses. Holy shit, that's awesome. Sorry for cussing. Oh, wow. With the freaking awesome logo on there, and it says Avión on the side. That's awesome. So we got that. There's baby bottles of tequila. And we have got the Reposado, the Silver, and the Añejo. Now, I drink the Añejo, and believe me, I bought every single bottle of tequila from this company. It is worth the money for the Añejo. Trust me. Always get it. Then, looks like we got some shirts. Avión Tequila in a gray. That badass logo on it. Or black, excuse me. This is a gray. And flip, there we go. And there's Avión Tequila in a gray. Awesome. Wow, I really wasn't, I was just expecting like a little bottle of tequila. Thank you so much, guys, and thanks for supporting the Buzz. And we'll have more stuff to throw off the world's little skyscraper in a couple weeks.